What if your small business had a digital assistant working 24/7, helping with content creation, customer relations, business planning, and HR, and much more? And without adding another employee to the payroll or pulling someone else off valuable projects that they need to be working on. That's exactly why so many business owners are turning to AI. Small business owners everywhere are using AI tools to save time, streamline operations, and grow faster. And no, you do not need to be a tech expert to use it effectively. The key is learning how to make AI work for your business instead of feeling intimidated by it. AI can help you create social media posts, write blogs, perfect emails, and optimize SEO website content in minutes instead of hours. We use it to brainstorm fresh topic ideas that actually resonate with our audience and to write scripts that deliver real value, not just fluff. Interviewing potential employees, streamlining the employee onboarding process, and putting together constructive annual reviews has become so much easier with the expansion of AI. Smart business owners use AI to learn more direct and meaningful ways to support their team and refine their thoughts around hard conversations with employees. Operational supremacy is now available to all business owners. They're using AI to automate emails, customer responses, appointment reminders, and follow up communication. AI can even organize workflows, improve SOPs, track inventory, and provide financial and industry projections and simplify business decisions. Thinking of striking up a mutually beneficial relationship with a vendor or potential partner? AI can think outside of the box to come up with partnership strategies and collaborations that you may have never thought of before. Many business owners use AI to learn how to grow their business, create impactful action plans, and break big goals into manageable steps. While AI is powerful, it still cannot replace human creativity, trust, or the relationships that come with in person connections, especially the hands on support professional organizers provide. Organizing is deeply personal. Clients often need accountability, encouragement, and customized systems that adapt to their ever changing lifestyles. We do that, live and face to face. AI for business is becoming less about technology trends and more about creating efficiency. Whatever you use AI for, the goal is the same. Spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time serving clients, because that's what it's really all about.
Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. You can also check us out on our other social media platforms for all of the tips and tricks for everything from home organizing to move management. Team M2O has your back. We'll see you next time on M2O TV.